Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya and welcome to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. Today I'll show you in this video so stylish collection of highlights in short hair. With beautiful haircut, very attractive and stylish hairstyling. And many much more latest collection of highlights in short hair with beautiful hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. So I suggest and I humble request, please you watch this video till end. I hope you like it. Different ideas of highlights. Some ideas of highlights, full hair, some collection cap highlights, the name of cap highlights, sticks, and some ideas foil highlights, some collection full hair, and some ideas only flick highlights. Ideas only front ear to ear highlights, and many much more beautiful ideas of highlights in blonde color, lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde, gold blonde with dark base color also in blonde color, and some ideas burgundy highlights with dark base color, some collection of highlights in funky colors with light base color, very attractive collection of haircut in short hair, some ideas pixie haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, so different type of cut, some ideas layered, deep layered, some step with undercut, the so beautiful collection of hairstyling, fine hair hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut. Some collection messy hairstyle, beautiful ideas of messy hairstyle you see in this video with other hairstyle ideas in short hair with beautiful highlights for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection new ideas. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones and those around you. Bye bye.